Hello guys, today I am reviewing the GAN RSM as I haven't seen any proper reviews about that cube. And as you guys may have realized that I sound different, it's because a friend of mine told me that my English speaking was cringy. So how much less cringe is this? And for those wondering what's the big twist, it's using text to speech instead of my own voice. A very big twist, right? Anyways, on to the video. The GAN RSM is $17 or 1,299 rupees if you get it non-magnetic and $24 or 1,799 rupees if you get it as magnetic. The GAN RSM, out of the box, was a little bit sandy and I didn't really like it, but after adding some lube, the cube became pretty smooth and enjoyable. The cube feels smooth to turn but is controllable probably because of all these honeycomb grooves in the inner surface. While having a smooth, plain outer surface, I think this makes the cube feel frictiony on the inner side, while making it smooth on the outer side. And something which I have never seen anyone talk about is this cube's corner cutting. It cuts, with minimal effort, past 45 degrees, and the reverse corner cutting it's some of the best I have ever seen, matching cubes with much higher prices like the GAN 11M Pro and Waylong WRM 2020. I have also gotten a PB single with a ridiculous time of 9.14 seconds and have gotten all my PB averages on this. The only problem is that even when it corner cuts amazingly, it tends to catch at weird moments which causes me to mess up some of my solves. I think this issue can be solved by putting in stronger magnets, as in my cube I have added weaker magnets which might have been a mistake. Then comes customization. For this cube we can customize the screw setting by pressing down on this yellow circular device which contains the spring, and moving this device in such a way that either one of the two bulged out thingy points at your desired screw setting. Screw setting affects how loose or tight your cube feels, and in this cube we have two screw settings which are 0.6 and 0.8. Both feels the same to me, but you can try both the settings to see which one you like more. In this cube, we can always get the exact screw setting regardless of how many times we disassemble the cube, as it always 100% accurately gives you same screw settings, but the downside is that there is only two possible settings you can choose from. All in all, this cube is great and is worth buying, but if you can't afford it, I'd recommend you to buy a $9 or 699 rupees worth RS3M 2020 which has more customization features to help you get the cube to the way you like, and can perform on power with GAN RSM. If you found the video useful, then give it a like. It costs you nothing extra and is a token of support for me. I'll leave the links in the description where you can buy the cubes I mentioned. So that's it, see y'all in the next video. Bye.